Hey guys, Iceman2606 here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the lint filter on an Indesit WIXL143. Let's get started. The filter is located at the bottom of the machine behind this thing, which is called the plinth. To remove the plinth, grab both ends of the plinth and pull it away and unclip it gently, and it should just come away like this. And now you have full access to the filter. So as you can see, here is the filter. You now have full access to it. Now you've removed the plinth. Now, when you open it, a lot of water is going to come out of the filter. So I'd recommend laying down a towel to catch the water, or even better, a container to catch the water when it comes out, because there is going to be a lot of water that comes out of this. Next, you want to turn the filter anti-clockwise, and you'll see the water seeping out in a minute. There it is. Move it slowly round until... Slowly turn it round. As you can see, you're now into the filter. So here is the filter itself. If it's dirty, do give it a quick clean. For me, mine's okay, it's not too dirty. It's nice and clean, so this is fine. Another thing to check on the machine is the housing. Check if there's any debris. Check if there's anything in the propeller area, if anything's caught in there, or if there's any debris. But on my machine, there is no debris in it. After you've cleaned your filter and your housing, then replace the filter by spinning it clockwise until tightened. Next, pick up the towel and dry up the area, or if you were using maybe a baking tray or a container to collect the water, and tip that out. And then replace the plinth. And that is it. It's very, very quick and easy, not hard at all. You can do it at home yourself. Personally, I recommend you should check your lint filter on your machine every month, just to make sure it's in working order and to make sure that your pump is working correctly. So hopefully you found this helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.